Let's have a look at challenge 5. We'll read the first bit. 15 identical blocks, so they're identical again, they're exactly the same, lined up as shown. So they're lined up like this, and we can see, if we look at this to begin with, it's given us a clue here. It's given us the information there that those blocks, the width of those blocks together is 112. So the first thing we can find out is how many blocks that is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the blocks lined up. The widths together make 112. So each one of those is one of the widths. And added together 7 times, they make 112. So we can work out the width there straight away by doing 112 centimetres divided by 7. Okay, so if we do that, we use our short method there, our bus stop method. 7 going into 1 doesn't go, so we carry that 1 over there. 7 into 11 goes once, with a remainder of 4, and 7 into 42 goes 6 times. So the width, we know now, that distance there, is 16 centimetres. So let's read on. The length of each individual block, so this distance here, the length is twice the width. So if the width is 16, the length is twice that. So 2 times 16 is 32. So the length is going to be 32 centimetres. Let's read on. If all 15 blocks are then laid end to end, lengthways, so like this, what is the total length of the blocks altogether now? Okay, so lengthways means that this here is going to be our length, and the length is 32 centimetres. So basically there, that's 1 block. 2 blocks will be another 32. So 2 blocks would be 64. You've got to work out what the length of all 15 blocks would be lengthways. So you're finding out 15 lots of 32. So we'll scroll the page down a little bit. We're doing 15 lots of 32. So 32 multiplied by 15 lots of 32. And we use our short method of multiplication here. So we'll multiply together. 5 times 2 is 10. So we put our 0 down. Put our 10 up there. 5 times 30 is 150. Add the 10 is 160. Then we need to multiply by our 10. So as we're multiplying by 10, we'll put our placeholder in there. We do 10 times 2, which is 20, and then 10 times 30, which is 300. We then add our answers together, and we've got, if we add our 1s there, we've got no 1s. Add our 10s, we've got 6 10s and 2 10s, 8 10s, 80. And add our 100s, we've got 100. Add 300s, which is 400. So if we go back to our original question, what is the total length of the blocks altogether now? It is 480 centimetres.